Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can undo and redo stuff on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add a video real quick here, like this one, and then I added like an adjustment here. For instance, I want to like undo all of the adjustments, and pressing like Control Z will just take a long time. To undo everything, you're just going to select this one, which will reset all of the adjustments. But to redo, you do have to do it one by one. So, for instance, I'll just do this again. You press right click. There's actually like an undo button. Well, you probably will just press Control Z on your keyboard, and then to redo it you press Shift Control Z to redo that. But that is pretty much it. You do need to use shortcuts. Also, it's easier that way to just edit. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.